This new local AI model changes everything. A tiny team just did something the big AI labs won't. They kept everything. Nothing stripped out, no paywall, no monthly lock-in, a model you run on your own computer that holds a whole shelf of books at once. And almost nobody is talking about it yet. Let me show you why this one is different. If we haven't met yet, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. My whole job is helping you learn AI tools and actually use them in your work, not just watch videos about them and forget them by lunch. Today, I'm breaking down a brand new model called Qithos 27B. And stick around because there's one thing about how it handles pictures that almost everyone is getting wrong. I'll clear that up before the end. Okay, here's the quick story. A small team called Impero took a strong open model, the Qwen 3.5 27B, and trained a new version on top of it. They already made a smaller one called Qithos 9B that a lot of builders liked. This new one is the big brother. Same training recipe, just scaled up. And here's the part that got my attention. When teams tweak a model to make it lighter, they usually cut corners to make it fit. Impero didn't. They kept the long memory, the picture reading, and the fast typing trick all in one. Nothing was thrown out. That's rare, and it's the whole point of this release. Let me show you the first thing I did with it. I used Qithos 27B to draft a full week of short videos built to bring the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom. I handed it a big list of the questions our AI Profit Boardroom members keep asking, and it wrote hooks, scripts, and captions in one go. That kind of content is exactly what pulls the right audience toward the AI Profit Boardroom instead of just scrolling past it. Now let me back up and explain why this model can even do that, because the reason is simple once you hear it. The headline feature is memory. This model can hold over 1 million tokens at one time. A token is roughly a word or a small piece of one, so we're talking close to a whole shelf of books, all in its head, all at the same time while it works. Most older tools would forget the start of a long chat by the time they reach the end. This one keeps the whole thing in view from start to finish. Here's why that matters in plain terms. Say you've got piles of notes, old messages, and past chats stacked up. A normal tool loses the thread once things get long. It drops the early stuff to make room. This one can look at all of it together and still keep going without losing the beginning. So how does it hold that much without slowing to a crawl? Think about two ways to keep your papers. One way is a giant messy pile on your desk. Every time you add a page, you have to dig through the whole stack to find anything. The other way is a filing cabinet with smart labels. You don't reread everything. You go straight to the drawer you need. This model works more like the filing cabinet. Under the hood, it uses a lighter, smarter way of paying attention, so long memory doesn't cost nearly as much as it used to. That's the trick that makes 1 million tokens actually usable on normal gear instead of only on some giant server. There's a second speed trick too. It's called multi-token prediction. Most models write one word, stop, think, then write the next word over and over, one at a time. This one can guess a few words ahead in a single move. Picture autocomplete, that's actually right most of the time. You still check the work, but it skips a lot of the slow back and forth. That's why it can answer quicker without the quality falling apart. And here's a big one for a lot of people. You can run this on your own computer, it's free to download, and it's released under a license called Apache 2.0. In plain words, that means you're allowed to use it, build with it, and even use it inside a real business with no weird fine print stopping you. A lot of models come with rules that block that. This one doesn't. Now, running a brand new model on your own machine sounds great, right up until you actually try it. That's where people get stuck. Which version do you download? What settings do you use? How do you feed it that huge memory without it choking? That's the exact stuff we handle inside the AI Profit Boardroom. The same week a model like Qithos 27B drops, we build a step-by-step walkthrough for it, the setup, the right settings, the prompts, so you're not sitting there guessing. There's a live coaching call every week where you can bring your own project and ask exactly what to do next. And you land inside a group of people already testing this stuff, so you're never stuck alone at midnight staring at an error message. If that sounds like what you need, the link is in the comments and the description. All right, back to the model. Let me clear up that picture thing I promised at the start, because this is where most videos get it wrong. Yes, this model can take in images, screenshots, charts, photos of a whiteboard, even handwriting. The picture reading part is fully built in and switched on. But here's the honest bit. Impero trained this new version on text only. They left the picture part exactly as it came from the model they built on and froze it in place. So the vision works, but it wasn't specially upgraded or tested by them this time around. It's inherited, not improved. I'd rather you know that going in than be surprised later. So treat the image reading as a handy bonus, not the main event. The main event is really the text and the tool use. This model was trained hard on step-by-step reasoning and on working inside a terminal, calling tools and picking the next action. In plain English, it's good at thinking a task through and then actually doing the steps, not just talking about them. It also handles tool calling right out of the box, which means you can hand it real tools and let it go check a fact instead of guessing at one from memory. That's the way it's meant to be used. One more thing worth knowing. This model has fewer built-in blocks than most big company tools. The team made it open for serious technical and research work, so it will engage with tricky but legal questions in areas like security and science instead of dodging them. But the team is also clear that this part is your responsibility. You add your own review and your own controls for how you use it. So it's more direct, but it's not a free-for-all. Use good judgment with it. Now let me show you another way I put this to work. I fed Qithos 27B a big batch of the most common questions people ask before they join the AI Profit Boardroom, and asked it to draft short, clear answers for everyone. Because it can hold so much at once, it kept every question in view and stayed consistent across all of them instead of drifting halfway through. That saved me a chunk of an afternoon, and it means the right answers are ready and waiting when people come knocking at the AI Profit Boardroom door. Here's one more. I used it to map out the whole first day experience for new AI Profit Boardroom members. I gave it a single prompt, and it planned the welcome messages, the first call prep, and the walkthrough of where everything lives. So now people who join the AI Profit Boardroom land inside and instantly know what to do next, instead of feeling lost on day one. Let me zoom out for a second, because this is the real story here. This isn't just one company winning, it's the gap closing. A year or two ago, a model with this much memory and this many features built in would have come from a giant lab with a giant budget. Now it's coming from a small independent team, and it's free to run. That matters even if you never touch the technical side, because these tools are going to show up inside the apps you already use every day. Cheaper to get, easier to run, not harder. Here's the honest catch though. This is an early version. The team calls it a pre-release checkpoint, which just means a more polished version is coming after it. That's normal for a new model. It doesn't take away from how strong the starting point already is. If the pattern holds, the next one will be sharper again, the same way this one already beats their smaller model. So here's what I'd actually do with this. If you're not technical at all, don't download anything yet. Just know this exists and what it can do, because it's coming to the tools you use, whether you chase it or not. And if you do want to try it, start with one real task this week, like sorting a pile of messages or pulling the main points out of one long document, and just see how it handles it. If you want the full process, the SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, come join the AI Success Lab. The links are in the comments and the description. You'll get all the notes from this exact video, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And when you actually sit down to run Qithos 27B yourself, that first hour is where most people hit a wall. The download, the settings, the memory setup, it all trips people up. That's the whole reason the AI Profit Boardroom exists. Inside, you get the full walkthrough for models like this one, weekly coaching calls where you can ask about your own setup, ready-to-use prompts, and a roadmap that shows you exactly what to do first. With over 4,000 members already in there testing new releases side by side, you'll get through the messy part way faster than doing it alone. Come join us at aiprofitboardroom.com.